Welcome, everyone. My name is Reviews for Success, aka Jonathan. Today, I'm going to be talking about the stock market. Today, as you can see down below, the date is November 12th, 2024. It's 8:55 p.m. and I am excited because the stock market has been blowing up ever since Donald Trump won the election. Today was the first red day since Donald Trump won, and as you can tell, it seems like about 60 to 70% of the market is down. And we needed that because the market was rising through the roof these past 5 days, and we needed a little cool off. Some people may not like it, but I don't think it's healthy for a market to continue shooting up every single day like that. It's good for people trading stocks and reaping the benefits of the value of their stocks going up, but we don't want that to happen. That's really not a good sign. Too much of one thing is not always good. All right. So, anyways, let's talk about the main overview of the stock market. So, first, the Dow. The Dow closed at 43K 910.98, actually 99. The Dow closed at 44K yesterday, but today it closed at right underneath 44K, right there. And the Dow had a major increase last week, and now as you can see, it's still up here. It had a minor pullback, as you can see for the day. It's down by 0.86%. The S&P 500 closed at 5,984, and it's also down by 0.29%. The Nasdaq down by 0.17, closed at 21K 70.79 US dollars. But overall, everything is still bullish. Although everything closed in the red, everything is still bullish as I'm speaking right now. If you're in the stock market, you love Tesla. But there's a lot of news around Tesla every single day because Elon Musk is so vocal, and now we see him in politics. So the stock is going to be moving up and down. But for the most part, ever since Trump won, Tesla has been going up in value every single day. As you can see from the 5-day chart, it's been moving on. So today, Tesla was down by 6%. For the past 5 days, it's been up 15.39% for the month, 49.23, 6 months, 88.68, and year to date, 31.35. So it's still relatively bullish, although it closed at minus 6.15 today. So Tesla did receive a minor decline, and for the most part, Nvidia was acting a bit bipolar today. I don't know if you guys paid attention to Nvidia today, but it had a minor pullback, and it also went back up at the end of the day. I'm going to open up the chart real quick. We're going to take a look at Tesla and Nvidia. So right here on the 1 day, as you can see in the morning, it was up at 149.40. I think that was the highest. Actually, the highest was 149.59. And then it went down to 146.58. And it closed at right at 148. So not much of a big difference. It was still up on the day by 2.09%. On a 5-day chart, as you can see, it's up 3.73%. On a month, 10%. 6 months, 56. So everything is still relatively bullish. Now, when it comes down to finances, financial stocks face pressures due to rising treasury yields impacting banks and financial service companies. So let's go back to this stock heat map. As you all can see, the finance side of the heat map is pretty much red. Like this is like 90% red. Everything except for Progressive over here. You got a couple right here that are still green, but on the finance side, it was a bloody day for finances. PNC did not face a bloody day, but finances were shot. They were shot today. And for consumer goods, there was mixed performance observed. Some companies reported positive earnings while others faced challenges. So let's look at consumer goods. As you can see, there's a challenge right here. Look at McDonald's over here, minus 0.96, almost a dollar. Chipotle up 2%. I know a lot of people love Chipotle. I love Chipotle. So, yeah. Future Federal Reserve policies. So, that meeting is actually tomorrow. Tomorrow, right before the market opens, there will be a meeting on inflation. And that's going to be a big market mover right there. And we'll see what that does to the market. Hopefully, everything goes up. But let's take a look at some of the corporate earnings. So, Home Depot reported earnings that beat expectations. However, stock performance was subdued. Okay. So, Home Depot had positive earnings, but look at what happened for the day. On the day, let's look at it on the day. So, the market opened at 9:30. Everything fell. It rose up a little bit over here. They went back down, rose up, went back down, and then for the rest of the day, they kind of fell. Rose up a little bit, but then they fell. So, yeah, Home Depot had positive earnings. And then Tyson's Foods. So Tyson's Foods, that's the chicken company right there. Guys, chicken has value, and that's what Tyson's is known for. Anytime you buy food, you better believe, or there's a high probability that that chicken probably came from one of Tyson's manufacturers. So Tyson's shares rose following strong profit reports, indicating resilience in the consumer staple sector. Right here, as the market opened, the stock shot up until 10:31 a.m. at 65.98, and then it started falling. And as you can see, it just gradually fell, and it's right here right now. Now, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So, Bitcoin and Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. I apologize about that. I apologize. Oh my gosh. So, Bitcoin right now is at 88K $267. This was the talk of the town today, guys. Everywhere in the news, on social media, all I heard Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. And right now, as you can see, Bitcoin is doing numbers. Doing numbers. This is a live view, by the way. So the market is open. The Bitcoin market is open, as you can see. It's right here at the 88K, and a lot of people are expecting Bitcoin to reach 100,000. I see it doing that. I believe it. If we look at the map, you can see today on November 12th, the market opened up. Well, actually, the Bitcoin market never closes. But as you can see, it was quite volatile today. It moved up and down. It had its little wave, a wave up here, and then it fell back down. Right now, it's kind of choppy, but it's still bullish. The hype for crypto is still up. And the thing is, people like to buy crypto when everyone is talking about it, but really, it's best to get it when it's low in value. Just around 4 years ago, Bitcoin was like 60. Let's look at the map. So about 4 years ago, Bitcoin was like 64K, I believe. So if we open up the map, 4 years ago was 2020. Actually, I was wrong. Bitcoin was 9K. I remember when it started going viral. That was the time when it was like 64K. Yeah, right here. 64K. This is when everyone was talking about it. I remember this was during COVID, the lockdown. But thank you all for tuning in. I am Reviews for Success. This is my first time doing an overview of the stock market. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, follow, and also subscribe. Leave your feedback down below, and also come back for another video if you enjoyed this. And always make sure to do your research about the stock market before you invest in it. This video right here could be a resource for you to potentially invest in the future. And I am not a financial advisor. I am just a guy with information and knowledge on the stock market and investing. So I'm going to share that information with you all, and that's my only purpose. But anyways, thank you all for tuning in. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care and have a great night. Bye.